Know what to say, but hurt ya. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da. I don't even feel a thing. I am burning. I am faded. That I've lost it all. Bad. Okay. I'll make you wish you understand. I have. Oh, okay. I'm gonna create ultimate. I'm gonna create peak cooking game right now. Okay. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be amazing. Astronomical, even. Woohoo. Okay. So we're gonna put those. We're gonna put on our music. Well, well. What do we have here? Oh, wait, it's not playing. There we go. We have some music. Volume down a little bit. There we go. That's better. I'm back. I'm ready. I am ready. I've been assigned a project by my college. Just create a game, you know? Just make whatever. It's gotta be a puzzle game. That's the only catch. That's meant to be like a portfolio piece, you know? So I've been doing that, you know? I've been making my assets. Look at this nifty little guy. Woohoo! Oh, I'm gonna open up our Unity project. Alright, discuss our idea. My idea is turn-based cooking. Only in your left ear. Ah, I'm sure I can fix this. I go into here. Don't mix that. Do that. I think. Yeah, there we go. That's better. It was on a stereo. I should have fixed it. It looks like it fixed on a little audio monitor here. Yeah. All right. So my idea was, what if you combined Overcooked with Crypt of the Necrodancer? You know, you have to cook, but instead of like actual time, it's like turns. You know, every time you move, every time you like chop a vegetable, that's a bit of time that goes past. That could be like time passing on like an order that someone's put in for you to cook, or like the oven that you left on. You know, if you take too many steps walking around, you like start a fire or something. You know. That's what we have so far. We have a cute little like debug menu here. Yeah, you know, it's truly unique. Look at that, he's moving around. Woohoo! Hello, Brady. Yeah, I made a modular little system for tiles. You know, I can like revolutionary for me because I can just grab like 3 of these. I just duplicate them, I move them. I don't have to do anything else. That just works now. Like, I can just walk on him, you know? I'm very happy with what we have so far. But we need to actually get some games into here. So there's not enough actual gameplay. So I wanna first of all pick up items. That's pretty important. So I have this, which is gonna be our stand-in like fridge. I think. Yeah. Right. Store script. Okay, this is gonna be difficult. I know that much. So I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing. Layout. Player hold item. Perfect. Up. Not important. Okay. So, I think I should edit this player hold item script first of all, you know? Okay. Alright, so we need a game object. We're gonna make it public, because like, we want other scripts to be able to access this, and it's gonna be item held. Okay, and then we'll have it's gonna be private. It's gonna be a transform. No, not that. Transform. Hands. Make it private. I'm actually not sure if it's private or public, and it's unspecified. I'm gonna assume it's private by default. Okay. So. So what? I'll just put item held dot position dot transform dot position equals hands. No, not handheld. Hands dot position. There we go. So we'll just do that for now, and then we'll have this be like. Okay. How do I go about this? Okay, we have this here. So what we could do is we get the current square, make it public. Yeah. Make it public. And then at the start, we'll be like, oh, we're gonna have this private take step. Player, yeah, player location. And we're gonna assign that as find First, object by type, take step, easy. We just find the player, and then, again. Oh, okay, there's another thing actually we need is everything on the grid is going to have the grid node script. No, whatever. Grid node. Like that. And that will have the location and everything, like the coordinates. That's what that is, the coordinates where we are. So, okay, that's it. Node. Griddy. Yeah. Griddy equals get component, yeah. It's simple. That? No. Okay, I don't even need this. Okay, if... So we're gonna... Yeah. Make a vector to int. I'm gonna get the player's location. Player at equals rb player lock dot current square. That's it. Get that. When we have another one, we're also going to grab our location, my location. Chords. Chords? Oh. Yeah. And what I can do is if so we can go player at is equal to my lock new vector 3 to int, and then we be like my lock dot x. Yeah. Then what we can do is we can have like check +1 something really neat we can do as well. Instead of making multiple if statements, you can use this sign, and that's the or sign, so it'll return true if any of those are true. That does make it really long though, so I'm gonna have to do that. -1 -1 It's a plus. Check these to the right or above or the left, or below. And if he's any of those, then oh, hold on. Shit. Okay. If player hands, no, there's actually private player all item hands. Hands equals find first. Yeah. Dot item health. If it is null, then we continue. Actually, if it isn't null, then we just return. Yeah, so that seems right. I added some new music to the playlist. How do we feel about the new music? Okay, so if we don't have anything in our hands, then fuck, we need to be facing us as well. Shit. Not the right person to ask about music. Are you enjoying it? That's the important thing. Are you a fan of the music here? Well, I think we got a pretty nice selection. Got a lot of variety. Okay. That's good then. Let's try something. I want the player to be facing towards it. Well, that calls for more one of these. This needs to be more complicated now. But I guess we need to divide it up into multiple thingies. Okay. Okay, we can do this. Map. So if we're above him. No, that's not above him, that's the right. So now, if they're at dot facing, wait, no, player lock. Player lock dot player facing is direction start. Which one is that? If he's 2, the right of it. Then it needs to be facing west. Look, it already knows. Visual Studio already knows. Facing to the west, then we do that. If we don't face to the west, then we don't do that. We're gonna have to recreate the script for every direction now. There's only 4 directions, but it's still kind of annoying. Hands dot item held equals Instantiate. Food item. Easy peasy. I think we're gonna have to make a new script just for the food items, actually. You know, it's not important. Yeah. We just do that. I want to see what this looks like now. So that's the player. I want to put player hold item. I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give you some hands. Some grippers. I also need some new animations actually for holding stuff. So that's gonna be due. This is pretty good. Okay. And that can be the hands. Like so. Tomato store. Yeah, I'm gonna get the store script. Oh, now we need to make food. So we're gonna have a tomato. It's not gonna look like a tomato yet. Right there. Okay, so I see that's a good size. Just for the sake of stuff. Oh, I'll just put this right here. Material. Thread. Now, I should just make a folder that just says temporary materials. I'll put that in there. Like a nice red. Yeah. Perfect. Tomato. It's going in there. So the tomato store can now hand out tomatoes. Oh, okay, I've got to change this a bit though. For example, we also need to be able to do it while we're facing the other way. We also want to be doing it when we're below. Both of them need to be facing south. So some Toby Fox level scripting right here. A bajillion if statements. So that should work. I'm pretty sure that should work. There's only one way to know. Variable item player hold item has not been assigned. Oh, of course. There we go. Simple fix. Check, is my stream being copyrighted? Copyrighted? I don't know how illegal this music is. As far as copyright goes. Oh, it's not letting me check on my phone. I'll probably find out later. I don't think I'll get a strike. Probably. Just be a little demonetization on my already not monetized video. Right, I'm going up this way. Two, once a cease and desist. Okay. I've created this, but I haven't actually got a way to get there. Well, you know what actually be like way smarter? If I put that up right at the top. Yeah. Alright. Didn't fix the issue. So, if key input, no, get key down, key code dot E. Then we want to give ingredient. Alright, simple. That does kind of mean that every single workstation gets notified when you press E, which could be bad if you have a lot of them, but it's probably fine. I think the most resource intensive thing we have so far is the little grid nodes with all the little numbers on them, because they update constantly, even in the inspector. So I can't grab it now. I can't get the item now. How unfortunate, you know. Oh my god, it fucking works. I know. I'm streaming. It's amazing. Oh, he's holding it. He's holding it. It's beautiful. I'm so happy. I think I want to make the animations like work though. So I'm gonna put these grippers inside the torso. So that should move with the guy. Right, so I'm gonna go up and grab a tomato from the thing. I figured the first. Okay, that's interesting. I can't do it from below. Okay, he is moving. He's doing a little, slightly scaling a bit, getting a little bigger and smaller as he takes a step. You might notice. It's right under his nose. Okay. That's good. We figured it out. Mostly. We need to Change a little bit. Hello, Recipe. Welcome to the stream. North. Okay. I'm looking everywhere. That should work. So, I want to make a counter. So you can put the tomato down. I think that'd be uber cool. Up. Yeah, like that. Actually, let's have one for now. The thumbnail snaps. I know. That's amazing. I'm so proud of myself. I had to render this little thing in Blender. And I just had when I did, I had a premonition with this text. I knew exactly what to do. It's very generic and it's very, very good. Yeah. We've got Project Zomboid in the background. This is the best stream you'll see all year. That's how good it is. We've got all the music. Okay. It's not a store. This is actually oh no, okay. I've got an idea. Make a completely new, like, modular type of workspace, work table, work thingy. That'll be called the in-out table. So that could be like, this could be a lot of things. Actually, no, we need two types. Because I want one of them to be interactable, so you have to, like a chopping board, you have to chop. That'll be like individual actions that'll pass time. And I want a different one that you don't have to interact with, but it'll take time to do. So I'm gonna remove that actually, because I think I've got a better name. It does mean we have to wait a long time though, which is unfortunate. Okay. In, out. Interactive. Easy. Give me this. Alright, so we can use this store script as a very good framework. Like this is quite handy. Actually, most is pretty handy. I know I need these. Actually, need a lot of the stuff that I made here. I need the start function. I kinda need the update function. Turn-based game, yeah. Imagine if cooking was turn-based. You know? It's like Overcooked meets Crypt the Necrodancer. Every turn you take is time passing in the game. You know, you walk a little bit, that's like another tick on your oven, which is about to like explode because the food's burning inside, you know? It's gonna be uber based. Oh, alright. It's gonna be amazing. Check player location. We put a food item. Alright, so we're gonna have some input and output lists. or arrays would work as well, I think. I'll probably use a list, just because it's easier. Oh, we can do that. Maybe put that in there. Given gradient. Okay, well, actually check player location. So this is just because it's a little more complicated in here than the store script. Because I'm just giving it to the player, but I need to do some other checks. I'm not going to recycle the code this way. If I just do that. Bam. Yeah, remove these. Because they don't have these. But the idea is there. We run the checks to check where we are. Grab all that. Alright, so. We look at serialized fields. A list of. Okay. I have another thing that we need to do. We're gonna make another script that's gonna be food item. It's gonna be completely variables actually. So this way we can like specify stuff like public public string food ID. What other things can we use? That's actually all we need for now. Oh. Food item. Food inputs. I don't even need to initialize it. And then we have another list of outputs. And then we can have another serializable field. That's going to be like, I'm going to tell you how many turns it's going to take. Turns to prepare. Yeah. We'll also make another private variable. A private int that's current progress. Okay. So let's make a new function. What is this going to be? How are we going to do this? Food input food, I guess. Food manage food. That seems better. Oh, then we'll have a couple functions inside that. Okay, so we'll say if current progress is less than turns to prepare, then we're gonna. Okay, one more thing actually, we need to grab the turn manager so we actually progress the time. Oh. Oh, I just this for this as well, actually. I might as well switch it up as well. Player, check player look. We have a new function that's just going to be gimme. Gimme. And then we're going to just put gimme in there. There we go. So we check it, and then we do the function. And it's just that easy. Item nodes. Oh, that's here as well. Okay, we don't need that there. Manage food. Well, this lesson's not there, and we want to return. Not that. Return. Easy. Current progress. Plus. Turn manager dot. Take turn. I'm gonna return. None of that. How about if it is not? Okay, then we do to continue past the point. So then we have to check. Fuck. Okay, we're gonna need a new variable. Service field. It's gotta be food item. Current item. Yeah. If current item is null, that doesn't make sense. If it is null, let me do that. I'll have a return before that, actually. I'm racking my brain, figuring out this solution. See, that's the issue. I'm not really sure what I'm trying to do. Like, specifically. So if it's null, I wanna do something. I wanna take the item from the player, that's what. Alright. So we get player hands dot Oh, I have to change this as well. It's not. It's a food item. Item held. Not game object. There we go. Skill script. Attractive. Color implicitly. Oh. Wait, where's that? I can't wait either. It's gonna be incredible. Okay, object. Can't do that. Can I not? Is it not gonna let me? Okay, instantiating is a bit different actually. Okay, actually, I don't need to change it. I'll just have a big game object still. I'll do it here as well. It's only important. It's only important on this one, right? So I don't need this. I can just have food item. I'm pretty sure. There's a type, which is not really in the given context. Oh. Okay. There we go. I fixed it. Right, back to this. So. Oh, it doesn't have to be that. It just has to be. It's to be a game object. So what we can do is we grab the. Fuck, what's it called? Item held. Item held equals null. We set it to null. Right? You don't set it to null. We can't edit it, maybe. Oh, we're back to square one. We've done a full loop. It's very different to what's called the blueprints. You know. See, blueprints confuse me. This is like so much better for me. I can't comprehend the little strings, the little nodes. They're all just, it doesn't make sense. It's too difficult to read for me. Yeah. Like I like reading it like this. You're like, oh, well that does that. It's just so much more compact. That's what I do as well. I think of them as written words. Because otherwise I just can't figure anything out. Manage food. If there's an order, we want to take the item. But also we want to check if shit. It's a list of inputs. I don't actually know. I guess it'd have to be a dictionary. Wouldn't it? Perhaps. No, I can just do it for each, can't I? If so for each input make a turn-based game, you're gonna see how painful it is. Food item. My item in food inputs. No, food inputs. Yeah. Right, so for each one, I'm gonna check if item dot food ID is equal to oh yeah, player hands dot item held dot okay, I have a better idea. Food item player item equals player hands dot item held dot get component. So I want I should have a thingy in there. Food ID equals player. If it is equal to player item dot food ID, if it's the same, then if it is not the same, then we want to return. Return. No, not after that. We need to go before. Debug. Log. Not a valid item for this station. And then if it is a valid item, then we continue. We want to look at player item, player hands, dot item held equals null. I want to set it to null. Can we do that? We can do that. And then no. Current item. I forget what the variables are called. Okay, it is current item. I didn't forget. Current item. Where's this music coming from, actually? Brother! YouTube, please fix your playlists. Oh my god. God's sake. There it is. Fix your playlists, man. I'm trying to... I put it on loop, and it just went out. You're not supposed to do that. Item is equal to player hands item held. Okay. Okay. I think we've done it. Woohoo! Serenade field, and then we want a transform. No. Transform. Worktop. That's where the food will be displayed. I'll probably have like a coroutine to show the actual movement of it. But for now, this is fine. If current item is equal to null, or not equal to null, current item dot position dot transform dot position equals worktop dot position. Easy. Okay. I want to do some stuff with headers because I need to make this easier to actually look at. So it's top two fields, current item and worktop. Display current item. Worktop equals that item will be shown. Okay, as for this, I can. Oh, different foods should have different thingies. Different foods should have different turns to prepare. Ah, that's going to be an issue down here, though. Okay. Okay. Seems good. Like that. Okay. That should work, I think. Surely it'll work. Except I haven't done this. Should be easy enough. Grab that. fuck? One countertop. Top. Yeah, right there. Of the food items. Okay. Okay, there's a tomato. It's not supposed to be in there. It's supposed to be in prefabs. I can just add tomato here. Easy peasy. Alright, I gotta see if this works. If it works, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, nothing, nothing there, nothing in my hand. If I go here and grab something, then I put it. Oh! I'm gonna shit myself. It actually worked. Holy shit. I can't remove it though. If I take another one, it doesn't let me put it on. That's actually good. So I can make a bin as well, that'll just remove it. Okay. That's sick. I'm actually so happy about that. So I guess no. Boom. I've got a bunch of countertops now. Okay, in the meantime now, I want to make it so you can actually remove stuff. So... it's not null. Okay, then we can uncheck this now. The food ID is not equal to player item food ID. Oh, okay, it'll only return. Okay, it'll do it each time. Okay, it'll return out the if statement rather than the whole thing. That makes sense. So then if it is. Current food ID. There's no. Okay, so then if it is the same, current food ID is going to be equal to that, to item.food.id. Or player item.food.id, it doesn't really matter. Oh, well, that's never ever going to happen because of the return statement. It does not matter. Current progress is, if it's less than turns to path. Gritty? Oh yeah, that's one of the variables. The gritty variable. No other explanation is needed. It's not about EU. What's it called? Flip that index. To remain consistent. Start over all lists. Yeah. No, it's just it's a reference to the grid node, which is also in the same game object. It's just to get where they're located, where the station is on the grid. So you know, creating on the title. Did I? Oh, on the stream. I did. Maybe. I can look at it on my phone. I totally did. Oopsie. I'll change it after the stream is over. Okay, wait, I was gonna make a new variable. Current item ID. That's not the same as the one down there, is it? Current food ID. Where's that? In line 83. Okay, I can get rid of that. What I want. Okay. Did I misspell it? Current item ID. Oh. Unrealized max character limit on enemy project. I actually don't know if Unity has one, because I've never ever made a title that long. I assume it must have one, but it's not long enough for it to actually affect anything. How do I find the index? Wait, current item index. Okay, I have a better idea. It's an integer instead. So the title of the project you're working on, what trigger, the one I'm going to use, I don't know. It's like 3 words. That's insane. I'm pretty sure Unity only has a character limit on the grounds of, like, you can't have a folder with a really long title, you know? I'm going to name, I don't know, current item index. I'm going to set it to item dot find, no, yeah, that's not find instance ID. Yeah, is that with normal brackets? Yeah, it's okay. Find instance ID. Oh, I feel like I've used that before and it didn't work. The Unreal situation is unreal. Alright, then once we're done, it'll be... I don't think we even need an if statement, do we? Let's do one of these. Oh man, I think I've done it. I'm ecstatic. Okay. 1 turn to prepare, and then the output will be tomato. Okay. Well, we're gonna just have another one on top of it. It's like slightly smaller. I'm gonna make new meshes for this. So the looks don't matter right now. I'll probably make them in college. Knife station. At the top. Will be a bit higher up. That seems right. Alright, let's see if it works. It's the moment of truth. I have actually not really tested it up to this point. Item with the same key is already been... Okay. I'm not really sure what caused that. Alright. I can't take it. Alright, whatever. I can't take it back either. Maybe I can... Oh, because there's no output. Wait, what? I have to... Yes, that's going to be one of the levels, actually. I actually don't know why it's... I don't know why it's working. Well, it's not really working. But I don't really know why it's not working either. So we're going to try and find out now. So I think that can be 0. I'm not going to get sued. They can't sue me. They're not making any money from that. There's no chance. Current item equals. Current item as well. So that should just be all dandy. I should just like, oh, put it in there. But why doesn't it? Why doesn't it work? I'm not sure. Yeah, it's not showing is the main issue. I'm going to demonstrate this. Okay, so go up to it. It's such a long journey to get there. Look how many turns it's taken. It's already been 11, 12, 13. Alright, so I put it on there. Of course nothing happens. Because I think I've configured them wrong. It doesn't show. But it shows now. Why does it? Oh, I think I might know. So current parameters are less than 10 to refer. Okay. So the reason we're just obtaining it out of nowhere is because we haven't set those to 0. Set that to 0. Current progress, we also set that to 0. Okay, but when it's null, it should just be exiting the thing. Should it not? Right, we're gonna have to study this a bit more closely. I'm keeping an eye on that. That's what the player has in his little grippers. So we have the tomato. We no longer have the tomato. It's now on the table. And we pick it up. We don't have the tomato, and it's not on the table. But now we have a tomato. Can I grab more tomatoes? I can't. Okay, so something is working. It kind of works. Hang on. My brother walked in. My brother. He walked in. Okay. Pick something up. We can't grab it out of nowhere, can we? What if I put it on the table again? It looks so much better than OBS Studio. Oh yeah, it does, to be fair. I just use it because it's made for streaming, and you can do it. There's a lot more customization to it. So if I don't have it in my hand, I can't grab it. So it's not infinitely giving me them, but it's still like, it doesn't exist for a good second. I'm not really sure why. I know. It's probably actually because of this. If current progress is equal to turns to prepare the current item index, then I think we also want to do all this. Yeah, for normal recording I just use OBS Studio. Even though OBS thingy also works as well. And it also has all the customization, so I'm not really sure why I don't use it more. Tax performance one, OBS. Yeah, I don't really notice, to be fair. Because whenever I'm recording, it's mostly... I never play like resource-intensive games when I'm recording. Or in general, to be honest. Because I'm on like an old laptop. So it's not usually an issue for me. I have no idea if I actually fixed it. I'm actually kind of convinced that I didn't fix it. I don't know what the same key has already been added. 312. Okay, what that means, I've probably duplicated it and not moved it. Wait a minute, is there a thingy here? Okay, no. Alright, 312, where's that? It's over here. 3. It's up here. It is. 312. Wait a minute. Oh. Uh-huh. Okay, I think I understand what happened. There's 2 of them, like, jammed into the... I've been doing this all wrong. Right, let's remove... Put that in there. Yeah, doesn't need top. This is going to be called... Let's name it knife. I can't remove that. Remove all this. Get it out. We don't need it. I might actually just cry from discovering that. I had no idea. Let's see what it looks like now. I don't think it'll be fixed still. And that's what we did in the code fixed it. But I'm not really sure if that'll be the case. Boing, boing, boing. Yeah, I don't have anything in my hands, so I'm gonna have to go grab something. Huh? Wait, it has it. Okay, okay. This is an easy fix. Yeah, that's it. That's the thing. Put it up. Like that. 3 motivated me to open Unreal. Yeah. It's the perfect ploy. This is government funded. It's made to stimulate the games economy. You know? It's propaganda. Alright, so yeah, we don't have anything in our hands. Can't put anything down, we can grab it. Holy shit, it works. Oh my god, it works! Might just come. I might actually. This music's very thematically relevant to how I'm feeling right now. I figured it out! Can you feel the sunshine? Sunshine. Can you Woohoo! Look at that, I can move stuff around. Woohoo! It's beautiful. I'm so proud. Oh, Pants pissed. Pants fucking pissed. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna end stream now. We have achieved very much in a mere like hour and a bit. Oh, not even an hour and a half. I'm gonna make a lot of assets and animations tonight. Not on stream. I'll just make them. I know. It will get better. I'll be streaming again next week, probably. I know. I'll see you. Goodbye. Mwah.